Picture this. The Lambo guy stresses over $1,500 payments. Your quiet neighbor in a 15-year-old Toyota just hit $5 million net worth. Shocking? That is stealth wealth. Today I reveal the 7 invisible habits billionaires use to stay rich forever. If you are tired of looking broke while faking it, hit subscribe now for more billionaire playbooks. Like this video, comment, stealth wealth below. Ever wondered why 88% of United States millionaires drive cars over 4 years old and live in homes under 3,000 square feet? Per the latest Ramsey solution study, it is not luck. It is deliberate stealth. Flashy screams debt, quiet builds empires. Unlike influencers leasing Ferraris, these hidden millionaires compound silently. I studied ultra-wealthy playbooks from Bezos to quiet Wall Street whales. These 7 habits are the core. Adopt 3, and you outpace 95% of rich-looking Americans. Share your biggest money leak in the comments. Let us learn together. Habit 1. Automate wealth before paycheck hits. Most Americans wait to save what is left. Result? Zero. Secretly, wealthy automate 25 to 35% of income. It vanishes instantly. No willpower needed. Set up Roth IRA auto transfers. Index funds like VOO. High-yield savings at 5% APY. Example, automate $500 a month at 8% for 25 years. That becomes $412,000 tax-free. I know a New York City tech exec. She automated $300 at age 28. Forgot it. Woke up at 52 with $350,000. Her flashy sister saved $15,000 manually. She also layered 5 to 7 automations. Brokerage. $5.29 for kids. Charity. Start with 1 today. Comment automated if you are setting it up. Habit 2. Drive paid-off beaters forever. United States average car payment is $742 a month for 68 months. Per Edmunds, 2024. Insanity. Stealth rich by reliable used cars. Toyota Camry, Honda Accord. Pay cash. Drive 15 plus years. Depreciation hits 60% in 5 years. Why finance loss? Redirect that $742 to the S&P 500 index instead. 6 years later, that is $68,000. Luxury twist. Elon drives his old Tesla Model S. Paid off. He leases Cybertrucks for show. A Dallas millionaire with a $200,000 salary drives a 14-year-old Ford F-150. $2.8 million net worth by age 50. Co-workers pitied him. You ditch payments. Like this. Subscribe. Share if this flips your script. Habit 3. Track every dollar ruthlessly. No deprivation. 80% discover $300 to $800 a month in ghost spending. Per Forbes. Use YNAB or Excel. Categorize food. Subs. Impulse buys. Cut bottom 20%. Boom. $400 a month free. Invested 20 years at 7%. That is $180,000. Tie it to goals. This $5 latte delays your Monaco trip. Couple earning $150,000 felt broke. Track 90 days. Slashed $1,100 in forgotten subs and Uber Eats. Now $95,000 invested. Your turn. Track 30 days. Comment your shock discovery. Habit 4. Build 5 to 7 income rivers. Sleep money. One job means one crisis. From zero. 40 million Americans live paycheck to paycheck. Stealth rich. Diversify. Job 40%. Dividends 15%. Rentals or REITs 20%. Side hustle 15%. Royalties or digital 10%. Teacher I know. $55,000 salary. Plus $4,000 dividends. $9,000 freelancing. $2,000 REIT. Total $70,000. Job gone, still $15,000 flows. Multi-stream earners are 3 times wealthier. Per Federal Reserve. Start with dividend kings like KO. Side gig on Upwork. Which stream first? Drop the number in comments. Habit 5. Buy time, not toys. Seneca nailed it 2,000 years ago. Possessions steal life. Before buying, ask. Time cost? Boat? $5,000 a year maintenance plus 200 hours. Equals $10,000 if your hour is worth $50. Outsource low-value tasks. $25 an hour cleaner. Freeze 3 hours for $200 consulting. Exec outsources $600 a month in chores. Nets $2,000 extra from gig time. Rent yachts. Own assets. Your time is irreplaceable luxury. Habit 6. Homes 60% below bank max. Banks push 35% of income on housing. Trap. Stealth choose 20 to 25%. $500,000 approval? Buy $320,000. Saves $1,000 a month. Becomes $750,000 in 30 years. Nashville couple skipped $650,000 mansion. Bought $400,000. Invested the difference. Retired at 55. Kids saw accounts. Small house, massive freedom. United States housing crisis? This dodges it. Habit 7. Silence is golden. Zero brags. Real wealth whispers. 70% millionaires stay private. Per UBS study. No Instaflex. Use deflections. We are good. Avoid envy and scams. Quiet builder parable. Public house crumbles. Silent stands firm. Audit social now. Delete flex posts. These habits built Buffett's $140 billion stealth empire. Not sexy, but they compound to luxury jets privately owned. Pick one habit today. Which one? Comment below. Plus, stealth wealth. Like this video. Subscribe for weekly billionaire breakdowns. Share with a friend faking rich. Turn notifications on. Build quiet. Live loud. See you at the top.